Namaste students, welcome to this class. Students, in today's session, we are just going to learn about an interesting and trendy topic. In today's world of competition and variety, what is that most important thing which helps you buy something? Suppose you want to buy a pair of shoes for yourself. So what is that which helps you in choosing or selecting the best according to your needs, fashion and the latest trend? Yes, you are right. It is advertisement. So what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, television, radio and the cinema. An advertisement may be displayed on a placard as well. It is a non-personal, oral or visual message regarding a product, a service or an idea. Now, what is the purpose of advertisement? An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is a very potent tool for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the minds, taste or even motives of the masses. Remember, an advertisement is a play of words. It must be very attractive to catch the eyes of the reader. Now, as you know, in class 12th board exam, section B is of writing skills. Short composition is of 4 marks. Short composition comprises of advertisements, notices, posters, invitations and their replies. The breakup of 4 marks as per CBSE guidelines is as follows. Format carries 1 mark, content 2 marks, expression 1 mark. So this short composition is of 4 marks. So today we are just going to deal with the topic advertisement. Now the advertisements can be classified into 2 types. Classified advertisements and display advertisements. Classified advertisements are used by the general masses to promote or use services. The only concern in the classified ad is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. On the other hand, display advertisements or the commercial advertisements, they are by the leading manufacturers, establishments and organizations. They are for the publicity or promotion of their products, services or some events. What are the main characteristics of classified advertisements? Classified advertisements are categorized into columns according to different classes. The category is stated at the top. They are written briefly with short, catchy phrases or words. The language is simple, factual and formal. A classified ad should be short, concise and to the point. And in the end, contact, name and address it should be given. And always put it up in a box to attract attention. Now, display advertisements. Display advertisements are designed for commercial purposes. It means more space, more expensive in terms of the advertising costs. They are virtually very attractive, varying font, size or shape. The language is clear, catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions and pictures or sketches. And there is proportionate spacing also. Now, what are the types of classified advertisements? Number 1, situation vacant or wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, to let, accommodation wanted, educational, matrimonial, tuitions, packers and movers, canal, tour and travel. In the present session, we are just going to learn about the types of advertisement and their purpose. Now, number 1 is situation vacant. This is the type of advertisement and what is the purpose of writing this type of advertisement? This advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. Now the second type is situation wanted. This type of advertisement is written by a job seeker. The third one is for sale. This is written in an attempt to sell property, assets, office goods, etc. Number 4 is for purchase. This is written in an attempt to buy property, assets, office goods, etc. Then comes to let. To let advertisements are written by persons who are looking for tenants for their properties. Accommodation wanted. They are written by the ones looking for a place for accommodation. Then comes matrimonials. These types of advertisements are written by looking for prospective marriage candidates. Then the missing ones. This is written in case any object, person, pet goes missing, giving descriptive details for the same. The next one is lost and found. This is written by a person who has lost or found any article. Then comes tour and travel. This is written by the ones who want to promote their tour and travel business. Then the last one is change in name. This is written by the ones who change their names. Now we are just going to start with the first advertisement, that is situation vacant. When we write advertisement for situation vacant, we should always begin with wanted or required. As you can see, wanted or required, they are written in capital letters. So just to catch the eyes, it means you should start with wanted or required. Mention the post and the number of vacancies. State minimum qualifications and experience desired. Give age, sex, or preferential qualifications. Mention pay scale and perks. State the mode of applying clearly, and always end the advertisement with contact, address, and phone numbers. Now this is one sample for you. You are personal manager of Green Bio Products Limited, Sector 18, Industrial Area, Faridabad. You need an efficient PA or stenographer for your office. Write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of the local daily. Now students, you should remember one thing, that whenever you write the advertisement, you should give the heading. Now in this one, the heading is going to be situation vacant. Now look at the first word that is there in capital, wanted. Always begin it with wanted. Wanted, a smart, efficient PA stenographer for a leading manufacturing company. Qualifications, graduate. Age, 25 to 30 years. Typing speeds, 60 words per minute. Shorthand, 120 words per minute. Preference to those who can handle computers. Salary negotiable. Apply with complete biodata within 10 days to Personal Manager, Green Bio Products Limited, Industrial Area, Faridabad. This is how you write advertisement for situation vacant. I hope you like this session. Thank you.